Repeat 5 times every sentence. I am feeling very happy today. Can you help me with this problem? I will meet you at 5 p.m. Please close the door quietly. I like reading books in my free time. Don't forget to call your mother. The weather is very nice today. I am learning English to speak confidently. Where is the nearest bus stop? I need to finish my work before evening. Please turn off the lights. I enjoy listening to music. She is my best friend. I am feeling tired today. Don't worry, everything will be fine. I have a meeting at 3 p.m. Can I borrow your pen? I love watching movies. Please speak slowly. I am hungry, let's eat. It's raining heavily. Don't touch that. I am excited for the trip. Can you open the window? I need a glass of water. She is very kind and helpful. I am going to the market. Please wait for me. I don't understand this. Let's play a game. I am learning to cook. She is singing beautifully. Don't forget your bag. I am feeling cold today. Please give me some advice. I am watching TV now. Can you help me with homework? I am very proud of you. She is my favorite teacher. Don't make noise here. I am going to sleep now. Please sit down. I love my family. Can you open the door? I am late for school. Please bring a chair. I am learning English daily. She is feeling sad.